When I step on the field as a Wallaby, I guess I take with me all the people that have helped me get to where I am. First and foremost would be John Waugh, who did a lot of coaching with me at schoolboy level at Kings. Second would be Gordon Ogilvie, who coached me at Gordon Colts and really had a massive impact on me as a player and turning around from just messing around, having fun, to actually playing some good quality football, and still to this day I speak to him regularly, and he's sort of a rugby mentor to me. Importantly would be my support network, and that would be my family, my parents, my 3 brothers and my sister. Just as important would be my wife, Caroline, who's pretty much been with me since I started playing professional rugby. Nowadays I've got 3 kids, Harrison, Hunter and Sophie, and I'd like to think a little piece of each of them takes the field when I put that Wallaby jersey on as well.
The Rugby World Cup, September on Fox Sports.
And when I step onto the field, I take you,